Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLS 550 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a V8 twin turbo pushing out 449 horsepower and 516 pounds of torque. We've got front and rear LED daytime running lights. For wheels, we've got 21-inch AMG 5-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. Brushed aluminum running boards. A black MB-Tex interior. Sunroof. In the rear, we've got rear climate controls. Come around back. We've got our GLS 550 4MATIC badging. Trailer hitch. Power liftgate. Fold down third row seats. Set of all-season floor mats. Come alongside. This one does come with a blind spot assist. Harman Kardon sound system. A burr walnut wood trim. Power windows. Heated steering wheel. Hopping in. Push start ignition. We've got our steering wheel controls. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Pedal shifters for extra performance. Navigation. Surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors. Hard keys for a media display. Heated and cooled seats. Dual climate controls. Heated and cooled cup holders. Touchpad and wheel for infotainment center. Dynamic select for different driving patterns. This GLS 550 has 14,452 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLS 550, check out feldmanimports.com.